So today we are playing with kinetic sand, sand which you can, well, it's this thing. Yeah, that's heavy. And we got this thing to play inside. Well, before I start, make sure you like and subscribe. So let's start. I don't think I'll need this chair. So get lost. So let me open this. We have these blue things and I dropped all of them. Great. We have a shovel thingy. Then some molds. Okay. Then these are the castle stuff. I'll keep them right here. Wow, that's nice. I bought this on Amazon. Yeah, you can buy it on Amazon. I forgot how much it was. You can just check. Then we have these teeny weeny tiny little molds. Yeah, okay. And if you want to buy this, then I have the link in the description for the kinetic sand. So link in the description, go check it out. Then we have the sand, some more sand, then some more sand, then more sand, more sand, and more sand. Yeah, we have got purple, red, blue, and this greenish thing, and with some brown sands. Today, I will use which color? You know what? I'll use the purple. Or should I use the red? I'll use the purple. Yeet. I'll just put these things in. Well, I put this thing so I can collect them easily. So let me first take all this out to start a mold. Wow, these flags are heavy. Now let me just put this inside and come on. Okay, yeah. So this is the sand, look at it. So satisfying. Well, it kind of does not stick. Okay, let me take a mold. Let me see which mold should I do. Let's take this pyramid. I take the shovel thingy. You know what? Let's not use the shovel. Hand. Yes. Come on. This we have the pyramid. Just take the extra bits off. And in 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. We have got a pyramid. And now I'm going to cut it. It's going to be so satisfying. Look at it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Oh my. This is so amazing and satisfying. Oh. And now the pyramid is gone. Wow. This is soft. If you don't want to play with those molds, you can just do this. It is so soft. Soft. And also, it just takes the formation of whatever it is. I can just cut this off like whoop, and then whoop, 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 whoop. Ha! That was cool. Let me take some other molds. Like this dolphin. Okay, I'll take this dolphin, put the sand in, more sand in, and yes, we have got the sand inside the dolphin. Now I need to get the extra ones out. Are you kidding me? Okay, let me put all of this in again. And then now I'm going to put the dolphin. Ah, boom! We have got a dolphin here. And now I'm going to kill this dolphin. Look at it. The tail's gone. Mwahaha. The head's gone. The fin's gone. This fin is gone. And the dolphin's dead. It's kind of fun. And you can also do this. If you don't want to take all of it and put it in. Wow, my hands are messy. Then you can just make a mountain of kinetic sand like this, and then voila, we have got a sand mountain. Well, it's not perfectly done, but okay. Well, now I said all this, it's time for you to enjoy all the satisfying cuts I will do. So let's go. Pause. I made a castle out of kinetic sand. Look, these are the protectors of the main thing. These are the shooters from here. If enemy comes, they will shoot from here. And well, the enemy is a monster. Basically me. So let's destroy this thing. You all are gonna be destroyed by this knife of deep. I'm gonna destroy you. How? Oh, destroy. Boom, destroyed. They can't do anything to me. This is gonna be destroyed by my hand. Destroyed. Now this. Whoa, destroyed. Bam, 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 and bam. Now the final thing is gonna be destroyed. Boom. Destroyed. Ha ha ha. Now I have taken over this whole kingdom. I feel so powerful by destroying this temple. This was the last known civilization that I killed. Yeah. So, yeah. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel to watch more cool stuff in this fantastic channel. So make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Stay home, stay safe.